Quick reading for May the 3rd to May the 4th, Sagittarius. Your cards are the Ten of Swords, the Magician, and the World card. So parang feeling natin ending na, ito na yung katapusan ng relationship, wala nang parang hindi na ito revive no? Pero yung katapusan na inaantay natin is yung mga negativities, yung mga challenges. I feel like dire-diretso kasi there's something here that you're manifesting. It can be pagbabago ni person. It can be yung pagbabalik ni person. It can be yung pag-show ng affection, pagbibigay sa iyo ng time, or even pagbibigay ng commitment. Whatever it is that you're manifesting, I feel like this is going to happen. This might gonna take a long while for them to show it to you and express their emotions, or probably a lifetime, no? Maganda dito kasi the world card changed everything. Parang hinawi niya lahat, no? Yung the Ten of Swords, kung ano man itong naging blockage ng improvement ni person. This is your quick reading for May the 3rd to May the 4th, Sagittarius.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.